Hey guys, welcome to Moto Tailors. Today I am introducing our universal rear Pyrex stand. This Pyrex stand is available in red and black colors. The one here is black, as you can see. This is manufactured out of 32 mm steel tubing which is bent on a CNC mandrel. The stand comes with the following accessories. You have your spool mounting brackets and you have your swing arm mounting brackets. So we generally recommend people to use the spool mounting brackets with their bikes if they have spools. The reason being, it provides for a much more stable mount. In case you don't have spools, the swing arm brackets are also decent, but the stability they provide may not be up to the mark as compared to the spool brackets. I'm going to demonstrate how to put on each of these brackets. Ideally, you would put on these brackets when you're standing next to your bike. The reason being, you can accurately measure the width of your swing arm or the distance between the spools and set the width of the brackets accordingly. So these bolts come with the stand as well, which are to be used only with the spool mounting brackets. You insert them so, and you tighten the bolts like this. One thing you need to ensure when you're tightening these is that they are absolutely tight and there is no play in the brackets whatsoever. The reason for this is, if there is any play in the brackets, when you're putting on your bike, it might cause the bracket to slip and your bike might fall. But conversely, once the bike is on the stand, the amount of pressure that is exerted by the bike on the bracket will make sure that this bolt never turns even a single millimeter. Conversely, you put it on the other side. Always make sure that the longer side of the bracket is towards the front of your bike. This is the leading side and will help you to guide the bracket into your spool. Make sure the bolts are absolutely tight, the width is as per your bike, and this is good to go. Now I will demonstrate the swing arm mounting brackets. These brackets come with a spring and a clip. Remove the clip so, insert the bracket into the hole, press it in to your desired width and insert the pin. Make sure the spring is between the pipe and the bracket. Now again, in this instance, you would want to be doing this next to your bike. You would want to have an idea of how wide your swing arm is. Insert this bracket and make sure it Ideally, you want to do this next to your bike so you can set the width accordingly. These stands are typically meant for your smaller range of bikes, such as your KTM 390, Yamaha R3, Ninja 250, etc. The reason being, the width between these two pipes is not very large and it's been made to accommodate smaller bikes with tires of 150 mm and less. If you want to use a bigger bike on this, you could probably remove the springs and increase the width of the brackets, but this is not something we usually recommend. We provide a 1-year warranty on these stands from any factory defects from the point of purchase. You can buy these stands on our website, on Amazon, and as well as from a list of dealers which is available on our website. You can follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Twitter. And please like this video, share it with your friends who might find some value in it, and please subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Thank you.